Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to crochet this beautiful puff stitch flower. So for this project I have used milk cotton 4-ply yarn. You can use any yarn you want. So this consists of 6 petals. You can use this flower in hat or baby dress or in any item you like. So hope you will like it. And also I have used 4 mm crochet hook and also we need scissor. So let's get started. Start making a slip knot. Then make chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now slip stitch in the first chain to form a ring. Now work for round 1. So first make 1 chain, then make 12 single crochet in the center. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So continue up to end. So here I have completed the first round. Now slip stitch in the second stitch. This is first stitch and this is second stitch. So make slip stitch in this stitch. Now give a knot and cut the extra yarn. Now pull the yarn. So this is the first round. Now take another yarn, give a slip knot. Now insert the yarn in any stitch. So now make the second round. So make 3 chain. Then make the puff stitch. So first yarn over, insert the hook in this first stitch, grab the yarn, then pull up, pull through these 2 loops in the hook. Again yarn over, grab the yarn in same stitch, pull up and pull through these 2 loops. Again continue the same process in same stitch. Now continue this same process in the next stitch. So yarn over, insert the hook in the next stitch. Now grab the yarn, pull through, then again pull through these 2 loops. So again make 2 times. So here is total 7 loops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So now pull the yarn all through these loops. Now make 3 chain, make slip stitch in the same stitch. So this is the first puff stitch. So now again make the second stitch. So make 3 chain. Now yarn over, insert the hook in the next stitch, grab the yarn, pull through. Now pull through these 2 loops, yarn over, insert the hook in same stitch, grab the yarn, pull up, then again pull through these 2 loops. Continue this process in same stitch. Again make the same process 3 times in the next stitch, yarn over, insert the hook in next stitch, grab the yarn, pull up, then pull through these 2 loops. Continue this process 2 times more. Now pull through these all loops, make 3 chain, make slip stitch in the same stitch, so this way continue all the petals. So here I have completed all the petals. Now in the last make 3 chain and slip stitch in this same stitch. Now give a knot and cut the extra yarn. Now pull the yarn, so secure this extra yarn with a knot, or also you can use needle. Now cut all this extra yarn. So this is the puff stitch flower. So thanks for watching.